Welcome back to the LinkedIn Ads course for business. In this section, we're going to be talking about installing your insights tag. So first, I want to talk to you a little bit about what the insight tag is and what this essentially is. And if you're more familiar with other platforms, it would be very similar to, say, the Google Analytics tracker or the Facebook Pixel. Each platform has their own one. And in LinkedIn's case, they call it the insights tag. And this allows you to put a little piece of information on your website that tracks users and feeds back the relevant information that allows you to determine whether a conversion occurred from a user or not. It's slightly impacted by iOS 14, which is a major rollout from Apple that happened last year that essentially put in place stricter privacy regulations around tracking, which means that it was never 100% accurate. Now it's a little less so. So just to bear that in mind, but it's still an absolutely crucial step to set up your campaigns using the insights tag. So I'm going to dive in and show you where to find that in your ad account, a simple way to set that up using Google Tag Manager, and discuss the alternative ways to set that up for your business. So over in your ad account that we have just set up and gotten access to, under here in account assets, you can see your conversion tracking. And when you click on that, you may already have some conversions created, or this might be empty if you're just getting started. But what you're looking for is your data sources and your insight tag. If it's already set up, you're going to see it like you're seeing in here. Otherwise, you're going to set up, there'll be a little notification for you here to set that up. And what you will see is this little option here to set up your tag. This is the code that you use to install it on your website. Now, there is an easier way to do this with Google Tag Manager if you're already using a setup like that. However, if you're not, simply follow the information here or send it to your web developer. What you need to do is paste the insight tag code below in your website's global footer, right above the closing HTML body tag. So you just copy and paste this into it. Or you have the option here to email it to a developer or use the Tag Manager. The Tag Manager is by far the quickest and easiest way to do this. And you can copy and paste it. Go over to Google Tag Manager, open up a new tag, which I have done here. You can name that tag your LinkedIn Insights tag. And you can see here that LinkedIn and Google have an integration that allows you to simply click LinkedIn Insight and paste that code you were given and trigger it on all relevant pages and publish from there. If you'd like to do this manually, you can just do this setup on your website by copying and pasting this piece of code into the relevant area using either your web developer or copying and pasting it yourself. This is how you set up your insights tracking, and this is a crucial step in setting up your tracking accurately. In the next section, we're going to be talking about how to associate the relevant conversions to this tracker. But for now, just ensure that this is set up correctly, that it's on your website, either using Google Tag Manager or embedded in the code through yourself or through your developer. If you have any questions on this, feel free to let me know. In the next section, we're going to be talking about how to implement those conversion information so that the insights tag can read those and filter that relevant conversion information back to you in your ad account.